So over here I have the InCopy document open, and now let's utilize something called the help search. So the help search is located right over here on the top right, where you can see the search icon. So if I were to click on here, then what happens is that I can search for any of the things that I'm confused about. So I can simply go over here and type in, let's say for example, text. So let's say I want to have a help search regarding text and see the options that I have to work with text. So I'm just going to go around and press enter. And what it does is it opens up Adobe's website where it'll search for the exact term, as you can see right over here. So it says for text, and here I got some results like this: adding text, formatting text, editing text, aligning text. So you want to learn about something, you can simply go over here and type it in the help search right here. So if I were to go over here and click on adding text, then I have options right here. So it gives me details on what I can do with it. So let's say I want to go with something called text formatting, for example. So I can just type it in, press enter, and then it'll open up the web page and search for that particular formatting. So it says for text formatting, and over here you can see that I have now options for formatting text just like this. So once I click on this, what happens is that the formatting text opens up just like this, and you got formatting text options just like this right here. Like you got the type tool, you got the control panel, and everything else just like this over here, as you can see. And that is how you can use the help search inside of Adobe InCopy. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.